In this video, I'm going to show you how to track the live location of a flight. So first, just head over to the App Store on your phone, click on the search box in the bottom right hand side, and then using the search box type in Flight Radar and hit search. Now click on the top application, which is Flight Radar 24. And click on the Get button to install this to your device. Now, you can also use this application on an internet browser as well, but I just find the app works slightly better. So just wait for this to finish downloading, and then we can open up the application. So click on Continue, then click on the search box at the very top of this screen, and you can now enter the flight number of the flight that you're trying to track. So I've got my flight number here, so I'm just going to enter that in. And then underneath live flights, we can go and select the flight that we're trying to follow. And if this flight is already departed, if it's already in the air, you can click on the Show on Map button, and it's going to show you exactly where this flight is on the globe. Now, if you're not sure what the flight number is, you can also search by flight route as well. So I can click on that option from the drop-down arrow, and you can select the departure airport and also the arrival airport. So I'm just going to put in London Heathrow to Bangkok. Then click on the search button, and it's going to show you all of the flights from these two locations. So this is just another way to go and locate and track a flight. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.